We just got some crazy breaking news that Brian Laundries' family has called the police on Dog the Bounty Hunter after he joined the search for their son. There's currently both a reward and warrant out for Brian Laundries' arrest, and I'm going to tell you all about it right here on InformOverload. Police recently confirmed reports that Brian Laundries' parents called the police on Dwayne Dog the Bounty Hunter Chapman after he showed up at their house in Florida this past weekend. The Northport police responded after getting a 911 call from the family. They apparently said that Dwayne was just walking around their property, which we did see multiple clips of earlier today, including him straight up knocking on their front door and taking questions from the press on site. Josh Taylor, who is a spokesperson for the Northport police, told Insider.com, "We did not tell him to leave, he left on his own." And while speaking with Fox News, Dwayne said that it was a shame that the Laundrie family didn't want to speak with them, but at this point, why would they? This is their son who is now on the run from the FBI. The only way that they are speaking is through legal representation. Dog the Bounty Hunter also had touched on getting approval from the police and told the press, "The police said we were welcome to knock on the door, and so we did. I wanted to tell the Laundries that our goal is to find Brian and bring him in alive." So far, Dog says that he has received more than 1,000 tips on this special hotline that he created for people that have information about Brian's whereabouts. Hopefully all of that is being shared with law enforcement though. Despite having Laundrie's parents call the police on him, he does seem confident about finding Brian. He went on to say, "We're going through all those leads right now. I would say within 48 hours we probably will have a location where we start the tracking at." He had previously suspected Brian to be somewhere along the Appalachian Trail, but perhaps these leads will pull him to a different direction. Either way, we will have to wait and see. For now though, these are all the updates that I have for you, but don't forget to tap that subscribe button, that way you never miss another video. I've been your host, Johnny Rogers, and until next time, stay classy, YouTube, or at least try.